This right here is going to be the best case of 2026. Changing my mind. You guys know what's in this case, but I'm going to do it anyways. Here we have 2026 Disney and Pixar Cars 2-pack assortment case F, which obviously has the main highlight of a certain character. I got this from Get Me Collectibles, so you know, go check him out. He's actually probably one of the cheapest distributors available over in the US, and obviously I'm in the UK, so this cost about £137, I believe, something along the lines. But yeah, we can see here the code, obviously DXV99958. It's the last digit that it tells you what cars are in the case. Made in China, so these are all technically new China variants, unless there was any other 2-packs from a previous case, which of course there is. So yeah, I've already done the opening of the top to save some time, as you can see here. So let's start off with the boring ones, and that is Bella Cadaver and Lightning McQueen are back in the case. There is 2 of these, as you can see there is another one there. Just obviously going to inspect these for errors. If not, I'll probably be selling these, trading these for other cars or stuff that I need. So yep, there you can see, obviously they still put the 2 Z's there for McQueen. Yep, and obviously when you go to the back, it is just the 2-pack, because it is the only on the road 2-pack of 2026. And if we go here, come on, this is not working, I'm going to have to cut. Here we have the other 2-pack. As you can see, it was getting caught in between some other 2-packs, and I didn't really want to ruin them. But as you can see, there is 2 in the case. So I didn't, you know, bluff with you guys. Just checking for errors. As you can see, don't see any on McQueen. Bella, no, don't see any there. You guys can let me know in the comments below if I do miss any errors. But yep, there is the back of them 2. There is 2 of those in the case. I guess we might as well go over to this one here. This is Roger Wheeler and Strip Brothers the King. I've already opened up a China the King, so this is basically going to be opening up one of these for Roger Wheeler, because this is a new China variant. And obviously previously I did get the Thailand one from a good friend, Disney Cars Germany. You know who you are, thank you ever so much. But I don't have the other Thailand version open, but I'll try to compare him in the video. As you can see here, interesting. Very, very interesting, guys. You can see here red on the back, text Dinoco and bling bling like McQueen, with obviously the incorrect wheels. Made in China there. So yep, like I said, there is 2 of these in the case. So unless there is an error, I won't be opening it up. As you can see, really interesting stuff. Up next, we have the Race and Rescue. This will probably be the last 2-packs case where you could get Race and Rescue cars. We have Race and Rescue Rally Race 200 McQueen and Chick Hicks. Chick Hicks has been released as a single already, and McQueen obviously hasn't, so this is the only way you can get McQueen, obviously from Thailand and China last year. So very interesting for sure. I can't see any errors. No, I'll obviously inspect these at the end. On the back we have Danny Suarez and Cruz, and the case E of 2-packs was the only way you could get those. So if you want that China version of Danny that's a little bit metallic, then I'll try and get him now before he becomes impossible to get in the future and you have to buy him from a reseller. 6-7. I believe this meme is dead now. It is definitely dead, surely. But yeah, we have Jim Redrick and Spiky Phillips here. The next gens, the only next gen 2-pack of 2026. Very interesting stuff for sure. Yeah, I actually do need a replacement of Jim, but I'm probably not going to open it. I might just buy it off eBay as a single when someone relists it for a cheap price. See them just on their own. On at the back here. Oh, here we go. This is interesting. We have the 2-pack of Red and Guido. So yes, this is the one that actually will be uploaded first, I believe, on the Friday, instead of the crew chief headset McQueen, because he's in this case as well. But yeah, this is the 2-pack of Red. As you can see, he looks like his Precision Series mold. Obviously, I do have the Prison Series mould. He's somewhere in that box at the bottom there, but you know, I'm probably not going to be able to get to it easily, but here he is. Here's a quick look. Obviously he has a new expression as well, and same as Breedo, which I have already reviewed in my 2026 case D unboxing or highlights case video, where I showcased all the cars. And you can see on the back here we have one 2-pack of Roger Wheeler and the King, which is, you know, or I've already shown that one. So yeah, obviously there is 2 of these in the case, so that is really interesting, as you can see. So I will inspect the packages before making the video. Obviously got to make a thumbnail, etc. So yep, here we have Mater and Tractor and Tyrant Mouth. There is 2 of those in the case, and it's a little bit damaged, guys. It's a little bit damaged. Yep, there is 2 of these. I don't need these at all. I've already gotten 2 of them, so I'll be getting rid of these, just unless there is no, you know, errors or anything. But like I said, I'll inspect properly at the end. And again, there is only one Cars 1 2-pack on the back of the packaging of Bling Bling like the McQueen and Tex Dinoco. So yeah, there is that. And finally, we have the most interesting 2-pack of 2026, and I believe this is the one I'll be opening because of how badly the crease is up here. Just gotta hope this one is perfectly fine. Oh yes, this one's perfectly fine. Just gonna make sure. Yep, this one is perfectly fine, so that is actually all good. No, yeah, this is the one I'll be definitely opening for my video, whenever that is, probably Wednesday next week, or maybe even Saturday if I, you know, manage to get it out in time. But yeah, there is 2 of these, and this is the only movie release of 2026, and that is why this is the best case of the year. Even beats singles, even beats 2-packs, even beats the deluxes, even beats the expanded universes lines, just everything. It beats all of it. I mean, just look how cool this McQueen is. Determined expression and all. Just looks really cool. I can't wait to review him. And obviously, Cruise is also a newer variant as well. Just in China, I believe she might be in a multi-pack. Yes, the Michael Roten multi-pack. So I already have that, but obviously I'll probably display it because it is technically a new variant. And when we go to the back of the packaging, we have the next gen 2-pack of Spiky Phillips and 6-7. So yeah, this is basically the end of the case unboxing video, as you can see here. If you are new to the channel, everybody, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is actually coming out after the video on Red, so there's that. Until the next video, which will probably be a Sunday. Peace, everybody.